Want to upgrade to a bigger drive, make a full backup, or migrate Linux to an SSD? Today I'll show you how to easily clone a disk in Linux step by step. No confusing commands, just a simple and safe method anyone can follow. Let's get started. We shall use Rescuezilla. It is one of the best free drive cloning and backup tools for Windows, Linux, and Mac. I'll show you how to easily create a clone of your drive and restore your system from a disaster. No command lines, no headaches, just a simple, powerful, and free solution. Before we begin, here's what you'll need: a USB drive, at least 1 GB, the latest Rescuezilla ISO, a free open-source cloning tool, a tool like Balena Etcher or Rufus to create a bootable USB, your source disk, and the target disk, the one you'll be cloning to. After creating the bootable USB, plug the USB drive into your Linux machine. Reboot, open your boot menu, usually F12, F10, or Escape, and select the USB drive. To clone a drive in Rescuezilla, simply click Clone, carefully select your source and target disks to avoid data loss, and click Start Cloning to create a perfect bit-for-bit copy of your entire system, including all partitions and bootloaders. So on this screen, just select the drive you are going to clone. Next, just select the target drive. It should be equal to or bigger than the source drive. Then select the partitions to clone. If not sure, leave everything ticked. To start cloning, just click Next and the process will start. Once the cloning finishes, power off your system, remove the old disk or keep it as a backup, and boot from the new one. If everything loads as usual, you're good to go. And that's it. A simple, safe way to clone a disk in Linux without touching the terminal. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Linux tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss future tips. Thanks for watching.